Hey guys, Dean here. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the 5 best winning products you need to start selling in December 2022. Now, Q4 is coming to a close. I have been trying out a brand new product and I've seen a little bit of success with it. I'm going to try and make a video on that dropshipping challenge for a week very soon, but I'm here to quickly give you some product ideas. Now, I'm not copying a lot of other videos out there because I've seen the same saturated products repeated in every single one of these videos. So I'm going to hit you guys with some brand new products which I've found and scraped online when I've been searching on AliExpress, and I'm going to give you the pros and upsides of each of these products, why I think they're good to sell and why you should get started testing them out right now. Now, I'd recommend you try and sell these in a general store because a lot of them are not really too tied down to a certain niche, and you're going to have to test if these actually work because I haven't experimented with running ads on these products, but in my research, I think they're pretty strong contenders. So let's jump into it. So the first one I'm going to be talking about, guys, just get into this very snappy and quick, is this portable air humidifier. So we have one of these in our house, but this is more of a portable, small, compact version, and a lot of people are interested in this kind of thing, okay? And this has 7,000 orders, so you know it's a decent product at 4.8 stars, so it must be pretty decent if it's got all that good feedback. It's got 2,000 reviews, which you can import straight into your store. And the reason why I think this is good, guys, is first of all, it's quiet. People don't like noise. When I used to record these YouTube videos, I had a lot of noise in the background from these air humidifiers, really annoying. When I needed to use one of these in an old house, it was kind of irritating when I'd record YouTube and it was really loud. So if you have one of these which runs very low in volume, it's very silent and quiet, that's an upside. So that's why this is particularly very good. It also has a very large capacity regardless of its small compact size, so this means that it can obviously carry a lot of volume. Now, most of these humidifiers, they're taking the humidity out of the air, right? So basically after a few hours or days of running them, they'll start filling with water because they're removing the moisture from the air. So the capacity is important because you have to eventually empty them, right? So that's how these things work. So that's pretty cool. This has a pretty decent capacity. It looks very clean. It looks like we can brand this quite easily, and it doesn't have any annoying logos or branding on here too. There's automatic power failure protection on this, so that's pretty good too. This is a different listing to the original one that I found because that one got removed or they stopped selling it. So this is a new link. So unfortunately, it doesn't have all of the information I had on before, but I've already made notes of it, so I'm just going to tell you guys. This is lightweight. This is compact. This is portable. It uses a USB cable, which is a pretty universal cable to charge it and connect it, so everyone can pretty much use that and get an easy cable replacement. And it basically just helps improve the quality of air in your workspace, in your house, in your bedroom, and makes breathing a lot easier. It might be useful during the winter, for an example, when you can't open your windows as much because it's very cold. So this is a good product you could potentially sell during Q4 when people want to have good quality, clean air to breathe with, but they can't open the windows due to the intense freezing temperatures we're dealing with right now. So this is a really good product. I recommend selling this because of that. Not going to be very easy to do viral video marketing with this unless you get creative and maybe do some organic TikTok free video marketing, but you can definitely still upsell this product or have it in a general store. So I think this is a pretty strong contender. Next up is this product. So this is a handheld cleaning sponge for the kitchen. Now, this is a random product. This is something you typically probably think of in those old school GML adverts on TV. If you're originally from the UK like I am, you will be aware of what these were. Basically, back in the day, they'd have these kind of products. They'd have infomercials on the TV, all of these useful, impactful, helpful stuff around the house to clean with. For an example, there used to be a lot of adverts on TV with this kind of stuff. But this product looks good. It solves a key problem, an identifiable issue of cleaning stains and not using large tools or taking up a lot of space to do that. So it is actually a decent product. Yet again, general store item. You're not going to get 6 or 7 figure income from this one product, but it's going to be pretty good to sell in something like a household gear website. So this is a good product. I think this is pretty decent. This works for bathtubs, tiles, floors, sinks. It's handheld, so that's the main reason why this is great. And it's portable. It's very light. We can store it under the kitchen sink with things like the scrubbers and things like that. So that's why this product is typically quite good. Very good for a general store. Nice ergonomic design here, and the materials are pretty decent materials. I think this is quite a good, useful product. There's not too much to say about that other than those simple pros to it, but it makes cleaning easier. It removes the stress from the situation. It makes someone's life easier. It solves a problem, and it's also very cheap. It's £1.31 in my currency, so you can obviously have pretty decent margins with this product. Sell it at 3 to 5 times the markup. You're probably not going to run ads for this, but you could definitely test it out. I'd recommend Facebook for this. I don't think people on TikTok are probably going to care about you making a product video with this, but if you sell this on Facebook, you might be able to do that, or just have it as a different product in your store and not your main hero hero product you're advertising. So this is a pretty good one, which you can test out too. Number 3 out of 5. So next up we have these waterproof touchscreen gloves. So when I've gone in the mountains, when I've been in Europe, it's been very frustrating to just have normal typical gloves because you can't use your phone when you're using them unless they're really thin. So then I try having fingerless gloves, but then my fingers would just get freezing. So that's a problem you have when you're doing things like extreme sports, when you're hiking, and that can become a problem. So this is kind of like a problem I've had, which is why I know that these could have been useful for someone like me or whoever you're targeting as part of your demographic. So these are basically waterproof touchscreen gloves, which are great for sports. So winter sports, fishing, anything to do with water or extreme cold, outdoor activities, and they have a windproof design, whatever that means. But what is good is breathable. So you're probably not going to get too sweaty in these, which is pretty good because usually with gloves you get really sweaty or clammy hands if they don't have a good design to them. But the key thing is everyone spends so much time on the phone. If someone's in like a really remote area like the forest or the woods, or maybe they're just walking by themselves, they might want to stay in contact with someone and be able to have the peace of mind that they can still use the phone in an emergency, or use the phone as and when they need to take pictures without removing the gloves, etc. So this is a very good product, very strong product. This item, the listing I'm currently showing you, is no longer available, but if we type in waterproof gloves for an example, you're going to be able to find these very easily on AliExpress. There's so many other listings which are the exact same thing. Some of them are obviously different products, but these are basically the same. You can then also sort them by orders. For an example, like these ones have 22,000 units sold, which is absolutely crazy. So you can probably dropship these because they just have so many units. 4.8 stars, nearly 5,000 reviews that you can import straight to your store. And yet again, I'm going to recommend, this is probably going to be another Facebook product. These kind of products do very well on Facebook ads, so I'd recommend using Facebook. You can also have a size guide here, and there's a few different size options. I'd recommend importing all those different variants to your store because the more that you offer, the more units you can sell. And just talk about the benefits. So you can use these on your phone, so touch screen, and it's made of this special silicone material. There's an inner fleece for warmth, so people aren't going to be cold by wearing these. They're just as warm potentially as other winter gloves, and the fabric that's used and the silicone is waterproof. So this is a good product, guys. Experiment selling this. You can test most of these products I'm showing you today in the same general store. If you have a niche-based store for outdoor activities, this is going to be a great one to throw in too. Even though the video is called winning products, don't try and sell just one of these products because these are winning products, but they're not hero products, okay? So you can't make a one product store off some waterproof gloves. I mean, you can, but unless you really market them well, it's going to be hard to drive a whole brand behind just one of these general items, okay? Next up is the Bluetooth headscarf. So I think personally this could actually be a one product store. You could put this in a general store as well, but I think a one product store could actually really work behind this if you have the correct branding. So this is a Bluetooth headscarf where you can play music while you're running, while you're doing yoga, or you're at the gym. I don't know if everyone would want to bring this to the gym though, personally, because I would feel kind of embarrassed to probably wear this at the gym. People can use this when they're doing activities like running or wearing certain gear that they'd expect when they're doing exercise, so people will be obviously fine with that. But they have volume controls on here. It's a comfortable design. It's made of elastic, so it's not going to be annoying to wear. It has clear sound, a high playtime or charge level, and it's also washable, which is also pretty cool. And it basically acts as a wireless headset with a pretty decent range, has a built-in microphone, so you can use it as a hands-free calling set, like a handset when you're just running or walking, to connect to your phone and communicate with people on a phone call. Really, really useful. 4.9 reviews, 200 orders, so this is a relatively untapped product, guys, so you could get on this really quickly. I'm going to use one example. One big dropshipping YouTuber, Jordan Welsh, he had a product which was kind of like a sleeping band where people could listen to music or relaxing sounds as they slept, and that basically I think became like a 6 or 7 figure store for him, and that's the brand which he eventually revealed once he actually sold it and someone else made an acquisition of his business. So you could do the same with the sleep band that he sold, but do this Bluetooth headscarf or music player. Very similar thing. If you have good branding behind it and a good name for this, this could definitely be a hero product for a one product store. So I'm giving you guys basically free source for this product because I think this could be a 6 or 7 figure one with Facebook ads if you basically put in the effort. I think this is basically a free product which could make you 6 or 7 figures, but it's really the execution with it. Last one is this portable hand massager. So a lot of people use these massage tools, or let me rephrase that, they try and sell these massage tools, and some of them are very good. but some of them are also very bad and they just look ridiculous. Like some of these neck massagers just look absolutely ridiculous. I don't even know how some people can even try and sell them because a lot of them look like a joke. But this looks pretty cool. This looks like a little bit more low-key, a little bit more subtle. It doesn't look ridiculous or stupid. So I think you could definitely sell this. So this is a small handheld device. So it's small, it's portable, it doesn't take up too much space. That's a pro. It's lightweight. It has vibrant colors. So if you have like a female store, you could definitely sell this. I would even consider maybe selling this on my store because I think it's a pretty cool product. And also it's supposedly going to relieve tension in different areas. And as you can see, this is a USB charger, so it's probably very easy to actually acquire this. You don't want to sell things with unique and strange adapters and stuff because customers are going to find it hard to replace if it breaks. It does look like a fairly cheap product, but it looks like it's pretty cool. You can see they're using it on the back, on the forearm, on the thigh, and on the head to relieve pain like headaches. So it's a product which is multi-purpose. It's a small product. If we look at the price, as you can see, 4,000 reviews, 22,000, nearly 23,000 orders, nearly 5 stars. So just the density of the orders shows this is probably not actually a bad quality product. Got a lot of vouchers here. You can import these. And as you can see, £3.85, guys. Pretty crazy. This is probably like $5, I'm going to guess. So we could sell this, let's say $5. We could sell this for $15, $20, $25. I'd say $15 to $20 you can probably get away with selling this. Yet again, probably another Facebook ad I'd recommend running with this. Try and run some Facebook ads. But the great thing about this product is because there's so many reviews, you have so many photo reviews here that you can import to your store. And obviously we always want to import photo reviews because they're more convincing, they're more realistic. But we have so many customers that there'll be a lot of photo reviews you can import straight to your store, make your store look really clean and reputable. So this is a great product. Guys, if you want to learn how to start dropshipping, click on the link in the description down below. I have an entirely free course. I don't have anything to sell you in that regard. It's a free course video. It's 4 hours on this YouTube channel. Go watch it, completely learn dropshipping A to Z, and subscribe to the channel and like the video for more free content like that you're not going to get anywhere else. This course is better than literally every other paid course, so watch it while you can on YouTube. So if these products were helpful to you, let me know in the comments below and ask any questions about them that you may need answers to. And if you have any other products or wisdom to share, drop those in the comments too, and I'll catch you in the next one.